Welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek Cypriot speciality Trahana, a comforting sour soup made from wheat, fermented yogurt and chunks of salty halloumi. This is a proper village dish. It looks really basic, but it tastes, it is full of so much flavour and texture. So let's get started. First, let me show you what Trahana looks like. I bought this from the shop because I've never made Trahana from scratch. But basically, you get you get sheep's yogurt and goat's yogurt, and you leave it out on the wet top at room temperature to ferment for a few days so it goes really sour. Then you add your wheat to your pot with your fermented yogurt, and then you cook it for a little while on the stove top. Then you take it out, roll it into whatever shape you want, put it outside in the garden to dry out in the sun. Normally in August time, that's when they make it. And I remember being on holiday in Cyprus as a kid, like my family's house. They used to have them all out on their big baneri, big trays, drying out in the sun. And when we were playing in the garden, I'd see someone, I'd just pick it, give it a bite, just sneak a few bits. They taste amazing. This is fantastic. I don't know, it's already been cooked, so I guess nothing wrong with eating it, I suppose. But this is fantastic. I could eat this on its own rather than the soup, but we're here for the soup, not to watch me eat. So let's get started. In your pot, add 400 grams of Trahana and 1 litre of cold water and leave it to soak for 1 hour. Make sure you use a big pot, one that can take at least 3 litres. After 1 hour, your Trahana will look mushy like this. Put your pot on a medium heat, add another 1.5 litres of water and a stock cube and stir it in. Keep stirring for about 20 minutes because the Trahana will end up sticking to the bottom and sides of your pot. When your Trahana has separated and the wheat bits are soft and look like this, add in 225 grams of halloumi and turn off the heat. Have a taste to see if it needs any salt and add to your preference. It is that simple, because ggmix recipes are always quick and simple and quick. Unless we're making a big batch of, say, borecchia, and you're making 60 of them because you're going to feed the whole village, then they take a bit longer, but they're still simple, maybe not as quick. You can leave your Trahana like this and dig in, but I like to add black pepper to mine for some more heat, because you know when it's cold outside and you just want to be warm, and then you've got the heat of the soup, but then you just want a little bit of extra heat, and it feels so nice in your mouth. Or you could do as my dad does and make a gabira, which is toast in Greek. Cut it into small pieces for more texture, and it will also be more filling. Either way you serve it, it is delicious. Now it's time for me to dig in, yeah. This is so good. It smells a bit cheesy because of the fermented yogurt. It's not, I don't like the cheesy smell. May put you off a little bit, but I love the texture of the little wheat pieces. Are fantastic. But my favourite bit is the halloumi, because it's rubbery and salty and chewy. Every time I eat this, it reminds me of when I was a child. I used to come home from school and it was freezing cold outside, and then we had the gas fire on, and I'd sit there watching TV, slurping this up. After school TV, you know, we had BBC One on our TV, watching all the programmes, and one side of my face was hot from the fire, then I was warm inside, and then this side wasn't as hot. So good. This is so tasty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!